Okay, so pod story is over. Ribbon story begins. They meet near a stream. Then they have a small conversation. After the conversation, the man tells that I will make a colorful, attractive ribbon for you. And where do you use ribbon? To tie it over your neck? No, rather it's for your hair. So now he 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 makes the ribbon in such a colorful way that this girl gets attracted to this ribbon. And again, she uses that ribbon to tie her hair. What happens now? She is so busy admiring the ribbons that she started ignoring her work and started wasting time. So okay, so in beginning, I already told you that in workers' paradise, people had no time to dress themselves, and this girl had no time even to dress her hair. But now, can you see what's a great difference? She started wasting her time, and she is busy involved in dressing her hair up. So I think you all can see the impression the man has given on this girl. Okay, so now in workers' paradise, work had of late begun to suffer. Many persons who had been active before were now idle. Idle means doing nothing, wasting their precious time on useless things such as painting and sculpture. Yes, so I had already told you all in the beginning that workers' paradise is a place where every person is involved in doing one or the other useful work. But now, once this wrong man enters the paradise, he's developed a very bad environment where people started wasting their precious time. Yes, we know time is very precious, right? Yes. So now people became lazy, idle in the sense doing nothing but sitting like a lazy man. So now turn to page 4, paragraph 38. The elders became anxious. A meeting was called. All agreed that such a state of affairs had so far been unknown in the history of workers' paradise. Now, what will happen if there's no activeness in the class? There will be no interest. Yes, you all become lazy. So similarly, something happens here also. When there was a sudden change in the workers' paradise, all the elders gathered together. And now they called up a meeting. What kind of meeting? Yes, now they'll discuss what is the main cause for the laziness, what is the main cause of wasting of time. Let's see what happens now. And moreover, what happened was like this kind of event never happened in workers' paradise. This was the very first time in history that people became lazy in workers' paradise. The aerial messenger hurried in, bowed before the elders, and made a confession. As soon as the meeting was called, meeting in the sense where all the elders sit together and discuss the causes and how can it be resolved. So now when everybody gathered, aerial messenger, I told you right, when this man leaves the earth, it was the aerial messenger who carries him to the workers' paradise. So he comes before anybody could utter a word. He will come and confess. Confess in the sense, give a clear wording telling that it was my mistake. I brought him here. I brought a wrong man into this paradise. He said, it is all because of him. Yes, so before anybody could tell anything, he told, by mistake I brought him here and everything is changed because of this wrong man. The man was summoned. As he came, the elders saw his fantastic dress, his quaint brushes, his paints, and they knew at once that he was not the right sort for workers' paradise. So now the man was caught hold. As he came, the elders saw his fantastic dress and his quaint brushes. This man was very much interested in painting and sculpting. This was told in the beginning of the lesson itself. So now this man had such attractive brushes that anybody who looked at once would stare at it for some time. So what he did was, the man entered the paradise and he saw everybody started giving a look at him. Once they looked at him, second they started staring at his paints and brushes. So now, stiffly the president said, This is not a place for the person like you. You must leave. Now the president, we all know, no? Who is a president, vice president, ministers, then prime ministers. So similarly here also the paradise had president, the head. What he did, he stiffly told. He told in such a strict manner that this is not a place for you. You are not supposed to stay here and you are not a right man for workers' paradise. The man sighed in relief and gathered up his brush and paints. But as he was about to go, the girl of the silent torrent came up tripping and cried, "Wait a moment, I shall come with you." So now he was sighed in relief. Now this man was wondering what was happening. So what he did, as soon as he was ordered to leave the workers' paradise, he gathered that wherever he had kept his paint brushes, paints, and whatever things he was having with him, he put them together. And when he was about to leave, this girl of the silent torrent, the girl whose spot was painted, she told, "Wait, wait, don't go. Even I'm coming with you." Now see what will happen. A person who was very active becomes inactive. What will others' reaction be? Look now. The elders gasped in surprise. Never before had a thing like this happened in workers' paradise. A thing that had no meaning and no purpose at all. The elders started looking in surprise, telling that this was the very first time this event is taking place, because never these things took place in workers' paradise. So now the lesson what you learn from this lesson is, can anybody tell me? Okay, it is we get affected by people in different kind of environments. If you are an active person, the person next to you also starts remaining active. If you are a person who involves in doing something creative thing, it will basically impact on the other person who is just besides you. So I hope you all understood the lesson clearly. So now your homework, before I tell your homework, I want you all to copy down the meanings given on page 4, glossary, all the meanings. And then your homework is, come to page 5, comprehension questions. Under that you have a subheading A, answer briefly the following questions. That is, choose the correct answers from the alternatives given below. Then come to page number 8. Under page number 8, you have a main heading for vocabulary exercises. Under that, you have a subheading, antonyms. You need to fill in the blanks with the antonyms of the words underlined. Then, come to page 13. Here, you have main heading 10, grammar revisited. Under it, you have A, fill in the blanks with A or an. I hope you all know what is a and an are. These are the articles. And again on the same page you have subheading B, fill in the blanks with a, an or the wherever necessary. So a, an and the are the articles. You need to look into the blank and fill up the correct article. Then come to page 14. You have a subheading C, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. And again come to page 15, you have subheading D, fill in the blanks with suitable articles or prepositions. I hope your doubts are clear and you need to do the homework once you finish writing the meanings. Thank you.